Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're tackling how to change your country on Indeed in 2025. Indeed is one of the top job search platforms, but if you're relocating or looking for opportunities abroad, updating your country settings is essential. This process is simple and quick, taking just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Indeed account. If you don't have one, head over to the Indeed website and create a free account. It's straightforward and only takes a moment. Once logged in, start by clicking on your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Next, select Settings or Account Settings from that menu. Here, you'll find a range of personalization options, including location details. Now, scroll down to the Location or Country section. It might be labeled under Preferences or Profile Information, depending on the latest 2025 updates to the interface. Click on the current country displayed, which will bring up a drop-down list of available countries. Carefully select the new country you want to switch to, double-check for accuracy to avoid any mix-ups. After making your selection, look for the Save or Update button and click it. Indeed may then prompt you to confirm the change or verify your identity for security, so follow any on-screen instructions. One handy tip. After changing your country, take a minute to review and update your job preferences, resume, and search filters. This ensures you get relevant recommendations tailored to your new location. And there you have it. That's how you change your country on Indeed in 2025. It's a seamless process that can open up new job opportunities worldwide. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.